Hey everyone, today we're talking about how to track your audience's actions like a pro by installing the Facebook Pixel in ActiveCampaign. The Facebook Pixel is essential for retargeting ads and tracking conversions, optimizing your marketing campaigns. Let's jump into it. First, you're going to need your Facebook Pixel ID. So you can just go ahead by clicking on Get Started and follow the instructions there. And copy your Pixel ID. Once you've got that, jump into your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Let's go to Website and find Site Tracking. Add your websites, pages, and subdomains that will use site tracking and insert your code into your website's footer. And then next, you'll want to configure which events you want to track, like page views, purchases, or signups. So this is super helpful for understanding your customer journey and adjusting your marketing strategy accordingly. And the best part? Once it's set up, it runs in the background, collecting data without you having to do anything. Great. Now you have the ability to track user actions, optimize ad targeting, and measure conversions. This enables your business to be optimized for ROI by gathering detailed insights into user behavior across devices. So, if you're serious about leveling up your marketing, installing the Facebook Pixel is a must. And if you're new to ActiveCampaign, hit that free trial link in the description to start optimizing your campaigns today.